Hello everyone, this is coder45. In this video I shall show you how to take array input in Python on a single line. I shall show you two methods to do this. The first method is inside parenthesis we shall use typecasting first and then use for loop like this using input and split function. So this is method number 1. Now printing it to check whether it's working. I am giving my input 2, 4, 8 and 10. So here it is, it's working. Now I shall show you the method number 2. In method 2 we shall use list data structure. Inside list we shall use map function. Inside map at first typecast our data and then using input and split function. So this is method 2. Now printing it again to check whether it's working. So I am giving my input once again 2, 4, 8 and 10 and here it is, it's working. Some of you may be confused in these two methods, thinking about that we have not declared the size of the array here. It is not necessary actually, because in Python list is a dynamic data structure.